Hello ma'am, what is your name and where do you stay?
I am Meera Thakkar. I am Viva's mom and I live in Goa.
How old is your child?
My daughter is 6.5 years old.
So what kind of activity you are looking for your child?
Actually, my child, when she started with the play school, play school, she was into many activities. So I just wanted to give her time, and then so that I could decide upon which activity she is interested. Wherein I found out that she was good at skating and she was interested in skating and dance. So I put her into MKs.
Okay, so did you consider any other classes before joining MK Dancing Wheel?
No, I never had thought of any other classes. Or as I said, there is no there was never a need for me to go around and ask about any other classes for skating and dance. And I have never been even for an inquiry to any other classes.
So why did you join MK Dancing Wheel?
MK's Dancing Wheel, see, first of all, let me be very clear that my daughter knows Mukesh sir since she was 3 years old. She was very fond of him and Komal ma'am as well, because she was been doing skating since that time. And with them and from them and from her, I found out that she was interested in skating. So I got into
Okay. So how's your experience with MK Dancing Wheel?
Superb. I mean, whatever he does, it's hats off to him, because he takes in lot of efforts. He takes in lot of pain, for his group to come up. I feel that I'm very proud to be a parent, MK's parent, because my child, since she was 4 years, she's been participating in races wherein she's been getting motivation to come up with good ranks and all that. And as Sir takes morning practice, which I think rarely people would do. Today, if I tell my child to get up early in the morning for school, she will throw tantrums that you're in 10 minutes this that. But the moment I tell her you have to go for skating, she is there in Malad at 5:30. She gets up at 5, by 5:30, 5:45 she's there. And it's like, she has that fear, or you can say not fear, it's respect for him. That, if I don't reach on time, he will feel bad, or, he'll shout at me. She cannot tolerate him shouting at her. So, it's like, it's a bonding that she's having with him. And maybe that is also one of the reasons, she's too much into this. Today also she went for the race. She was like, first thing came into her mind that if I don't come up to any place, any position, my son will feel bad. She was with that thing. And I think if I am renewing Viva's membership for the entire year, if I'm paying, that's more than enough, and I'm too much satisfied with the class.
Okay. So is there anything can be improved in these classes?
I don't think anything is required.
Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 5, if you want to recommend these classes to other parents, how much you rate?
I would rate 5 on 5.
Thank you, ma'am.